Hello guys, today I've got OPN Sound Swym Plus and I'm going to show you how you can easily rename your headphones in your iPhone. So at first you need to open your phone's settings. Here, scroll down to Bluetooth. Now you need to tap this info icon near your headphones. Once you are here, you need to just tap name right here. Once you tap name, you can modify this name. For example, add some letters, delete some letters, add some emojis, delete emojis, add numbers, delete numbers, etc. If you are done, as you can see, you need to tap this tick icon here to confirm. What to do if you want to bring back your name to the default one? Just tap this X right here and here tick to confirm. That's it. Bye.